Hi everyone, I'm Hieu. Today I'm here to present to you about the interesting topics light emitting diode. First, let me introduce my group. There are three members in my group. First is Phạm Quốc Huy, second is Nguyễn Di Phong, and the third, Trung Hieu, is me. My presentation divided into the five main parts. The first part is the definition of LED. The second part is the structure of LED. Third part, working principle. Fourth part, advantage. And the final part is the application. Begin with the first part is the definition of LED. It's the light emitting element. LED is made using semiconducting materials, releasing energy in form of photon. Here you can see the image of the LED. Next to the second part is the structure of LED. There are three main types of LED devices. They are printed LED lamp. Second is the chip LED or PCB type. Third is the chip LED or the BLCC type. Almost of them have the four basic components. They are LED element, lead element, bonding wire, and encapsulating resin. The first component is the LED element. This is a component is constructed of jointed p-type and anti-semiconductor. P-type containing positive charges carrier called Hieu. N-type containing negatively charged carrier called electrode to create diode. Rather than the silicon and germanium material used in the normal diode, LED are made from gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, gallium, indium phosphide. Move to the second component is the lead frame and PCB. Here you can see the lead frame and here is the PCB. The components hold the LED element and provide the electrical component to the element that receives an external power supply. It's made from the copper and iron alloy. Highly and reflectively materials are using the substrate material to minimize light absorption. Lead frame and PCB also play in the important roles in dissipating heat from the LED element. The third component is the bonding wire. Here you can see this is the bonding wire. It connects the LED element electronode to an electrically conductive section of the lead frame or PCB. To make this connection, they will use the ultrasonic wave. In terms of mechanical strength, the bonding wire is one of the weakest parts of the LED lamp. However, because this wire is embedded with the encapsulating resin, it makes it extremely reliable. To know more detail of encapsulating resin, we now move to the first component. The first component is encapsulating resin. Here is the image of it. Usually we use plastic to make it. The encapsulating resin fills the area around the LED element. This protects the LED element from the moisture and the external impact. The resin is either clear or, as a minimum, is one that's highly transparent to the emitted light wavelength. Now move to the third part. It is the working principle of the LED. When a current supply is connected to the diode, the negative charged electrons are forced to move one direction and the positive charged holes move in the opposite direction. When a free electron comes to near the hole, is combined with the Hieu. The Hieu exists a lower energy level of the free electron, so the free electron must lose energy to combine with the Hieu. This energy is released in form of a photon or unit of light. Continue with the first part is the advantage of LED. The first advantage is about its size is very small, about the 3 to the 8 millimeter long. This small size allows them to be used in small space where the turf light cannot be used. The second advantage about the lasers lifetime. For the LED, the lifetime about the 35,000 to the 50,000 hours. For the conventional path is only 8,000 to the 10,000 hours. The next advantage is the lower temperatures. The fourth advantage is about the energy efficiency. For the LED, it's about 80 to the 90%. For the traditional light, it's only 20% efficient. It's very low. So next advantage is about ecologically friendly, it's non-toxic chemical and 100% recyclable. Next to the final part is about the application of LED. The first application is applied in the indicator and size. For example, traffic signal, exit sign, and display box. The second application is about the lighting. For example, in the motorcycle and car light, in television and the laptop display is replaced in the incandescent bulb. And the next application about the non-visual application, for example, communication and sensor. Here is my reference. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please ask me. I'm very happy